Medical information disclaimer. This video contains general medical information. The information in this video is only for educational purposes. The medical information is not advice and should not be treated as such. You must not rely on the information in our videos as an alternative to medical advice from your doctor or other professional healthcare provider. My channel Health Tips by SHAH provides valuable information on how to stay healthy and fit. You can learn about the latest health trends and tips to help you stay healthy. Health Tips by SHAH is the perfect resource for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being.